A horrific hit and run caught on camera in Oregon. Dash camera video taken on a highway in Beaverton on Monday morning shows a motorcyclist in the center lane gesturing at a Kia Carnival van to his left. The van sharply swerving right, hitting the motorcyclist, sending him flying onto the shoulder.
This is attempted murder. What happens a lot with motorcycles is that cars don't really see them or pay attention to them when they're changing lanes. And sometimes it gets frustrating when the motorcyclist is not being seen. But that does not excuse what this gentleman did by swerving into him. That is attempted murder.
Beating off. The family of the 21-year-old victim says he was trying to communicate with the driver after a couple of close calls.
The van had almost hit him twice already. And my brother was trying to be like, do you not see me? What is happening? And then the driver made eye contact with him and jerked the wheel.
Corey's family says he suffered a concussion and bruises, showing his cracked helmet that might have saved his life.
The driver hit him so hard that my son's clutch lever went through the complete side of his steel-toe boots. That's how bad he hit him. And threw up 250 feet.
I just thought I just saw someone die in front of me.
Lucy Brissack says she witnessed the incident and stayed with Corey until help arrived.
That's someone's baby. And if my daughter were in the same position, I would want someone to step up.
Thank God that this gentleman survived. I mean, the swerve and the attempted hit and the loss of control, this could have been a fatal accident.
And take care of her if I couldn't be there.
Police asking for the public's help tracking down the driver. A tip from someone who had seen the dash camera footage leading them to that Kia with scrapes at the point of impact.
We received a tip about the whereabouts of the van, and we were able to locate it right as the suspect came out and got into the van and started to drive away.
Police arresting Samir Helio Pizzotto Philo, charging him with second-degree assault, hit and run, reckless driving, attempted assault 1, and unlawful use of a weapon, according to police. Investigators say they have reason to believe Pizzotto Philo, quote, had been driving recklessly in the days prior to the incident. We were unable to reach Pizzotto Philo for comment.
Why attempted murder is not included in this, I don't know. That's for the state of Oregon to understand. But this gentleman needs to go to jail.
I think it's really hard to watch just because it's so deliberate. Like, he literally could have died, and I don't know who could do that. Like, I just don't understand who has that within them to do that.
The issues with road rage are everywhere. America is extremely angry right now. A lot of anger out in the streets, a lot of people looking for other people to blame, all sorts of stuff. But in this case, this poor gentleman that was on the motorcycle took the brunt of somebody's really bad day and psychotic behavior.